Oh, I feel lit.
What are you doing? What?
Something in my throat.
Hey, oh no, that's one of the symptoms.
Yeah, I got a little headache for real. I got a little.
Oh no, that's two symptoms. Watch him. That's two symptoms. Man, you need that.
If you're looking for a windfall, looking for attention, looking for supreme, looking for a queen, just roll with me. If you're looking for
Dang, why is my hair okay? Finally, y'all thought I wasn't gonna ever get to talk to y'all. Okay, so basically it's Monday. I just had to watch a class that with my class. Anyway, besides the point. Hope y'all are having a great week so far. As you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing a prank on my students because that's what I do. Let me sit y'all here. Okay, so this is this little disclaimer. I am 100% COVID free. This is a joke. If you cannot take a joke, or if you do not laugh, you don't like to laugh, if you're Karen, just click out the video. I ain't got time for it. Just don't watch, okay? Cause if I see stupid comments, you're gonna get blocked, period. I'm sick of it. Well, let me give you kind of like a little background. First of all, my kids are all the way over there. Okay, I know I gotta explain because there's gonna be some people in the comments, you should not be coughing and da-da-da. Shut up. Just click out the video right now. I'm telling you, I will block you on every social media. Like, I don't have time. I don't have time. So if you don't have like a little, what do you call it? What is this called? What is your little laughing box called? Where do laughs come from? What? Baby, if you don't laugh or you don't like to laugh, don't watch my video, okay? Because this is what we do around here. We joke, we play. So this particular, I have 2 pranks I'm going to be doing on them. I'm not going to say the other one because I know some of my students be watching. But this week, I'm going to film a lot of pranks. So make sure you subscribe and the notification bell is on. Let me know if you're a part of the TikTok gang, period. But this particular joke that I'm going to be doing today and Tuesday, because you know I have an A-day. We're a block schedule. So I have a class on A days. I have 3 classes on A days and 3 classes on B days. So I don't see all my kids in one day. I see them every other day. So I want to get every single kid's reaction. So this isn't going to go up until next week, so that's fine. All right, so let me show y'all my outfit of the day real quick because cute. This is the fit. Hold on, let me sit y'all up here. Or if you follow me on TikTok, then you've seen this outfit before, but I be feeling so classy when I wear it. Sandals, period. Okay, so y'all, yeah. So basically, I didn't even explain the joke. So basically, I'm just gonna be coughing and like sneezing and stuff like this, and to get their reaction. Lord, let me pray, because I don't like to play with the Lord. He could just, I can't get COVID.
Lord, I pray that me, my students, my friends remain COVID free. I pray, Lord God, that the spread of COVID is not happening or will not happen. And I pray, Lord God, that we all remain happy and healthy. And yeah, I pray this joke is not a part of that joke.
Amen. All right, so I had to pray because you know what I'm saying. I believe in speaking things into existence, and I'm not speaking COVID into existence. I just think that it's funny and it fits. Well, COVID ain't funny, but their reaction is gonna be funny because they so dramatic, just like me. But all right, y'all, so I'll talk to y'all when they come in. What? My throat a bit.
Cook it again. No. No.
Hey,
Wait, time out. That's a good idea. Slide me that chair. She said don't get old. She said don't get old.
I wish you would. Please do it.
I got it old.
Oh, my chest hurt.
Hold on, Greenwood. It's Greenwood.
working, bro.
Now, please go help him. So how you doing? My stuff break. I said slide it. No.
Oh.
Slide him out.
Ready now, ready?
No. It's time to go.
Hey, whoa, brother.
No, keep dirty again.
Boy, if you don't get away from me with this.
Spray it. Yeah. Come on down through it. You've been partying too hard.
My throat just feels a little weird.
All right. Get out of the way.
Oh, I feel a little.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Something in my throat.
Oh, no, that's one of the symptoms.
No, I got a little headache for real. I got a little.
Oh, no, that's flu symptoms. Watch him. That's flu symptoms. You better get on what with him? Yeah, you need to get on around. You better try that nose. Yeah, you need that spray. Get the spray. Get the spray.
Don't spray me now.
Yeah, you need that. You need to do something. You need some of this. Yeah, you need some of this. We need some bags to put around her desk. Yeah, hold on.
Hold it for breathe, do your word.
Come on, hold.
I ain't cop on him. Stop, y'all. I got a lick. For real. I completely forgot to come tell y'all that it was a completely new day. So yeah, I'm extremely sleepy. But this is my last class of the day. They're 6th graders, so I'm gonna get their reactions and then I'm gonna be back. Y'all, I can't say. Dang, I forget. I want to tell y'all so bad what my next prank is gonna be, and I'm gonna do that prank tomorrow. Got a little like headache, Lord. I'm a little. It's a little hot too up in here. My throat sounds a little. My chest, that hurt my chest. I can go where?
Your chest was hurt.
Dominique too.
All three of y'all.
It's a little hot too. I'm burning up.
Yeah, it's hot.
Thirsty.
I ain't ate nothing all day, man.
Well, go eat you something.
I can't taste my food. Ain't no
Oh
sense
yeah,
in it.
that's not wrong. I'm sorry to tell you that, but
You said what now? She
I
can't
can't.
taste it.
Yeah.
Oh no! Oh no! That one is something like that.
You can go ahead and put on there. You can come out the room. Oh no, I feel for some ice.
Really?
Oh God! You better. Oh.
You better for some ice on your mouth.
You better not be recording.
Oh, that's nasty. You better
You
for
better
some
not
bleach
be
in your mouth.
recording.
That's nasty. What's some bleach in your mouth?
Nah, Joy said.
Put some bleach in my mouth.
Joy said his mama fried orange, put some brown sugar on there. He ain't still taste it. Oh nah.
That's what I got that mama too. You better drink fall like
You
that.
better get on. You a coughing.
I can't help what I can't taste.
Nah,
I can taste. You can smell. You can smell. You can smell. I can taste it.
I don't know. Y'all said it was stinking in here. I don't smell none.
That's that wrong. Hey, she said she was smelling. Oh.
No, he said it was stinking in here. I don't smell nothing for real.
Yep, that's that wrong. Confirmed.
Girl, I rebuked that in the name of Jesus.
Yeah,
That hurt my throat for real. That cough.
no, you're not that wrong. You said you confirmed or scratch it? I mean, if it's from my side,
bro.
if it's from the power, you need to stay.
Possibly. That's a good conclusion.
I mean, but you said that.
Man, when we inside,
You got the window. Man, for the window.
Right.
is the window.
You better put
They-
that over there.
No, the window is not open.
Y'all so crazy. I was just joking.
Okay, you want to call for yourself. Y'all favorite hero was sneeze.
That was a cold. You was cold. I'm sitting right in front of you back there. There was no me back there. All that there.
No.
You had to move.
Man, I moved my damn on way up. Trey one time had to pull. He tried to pull my damn back down. I told him I get on one.
You so y'all so country.
It's like this.
It's just like what?
You like that like this.
Oh. Y'all know we gonna have a little TikTok station Friday. Come to my station.
Yeah.
We're not gonna be here Friday.
Yes, we is. This Friday, what an activity is.
Oh, y'all coming here.
All right, y'all. So that is a wrap. Yeah. You could have been anywhere, but you chose to be here with me. And for that, I thank you. Always remember to take it easy and love yours. And I'll see you next video.
Bye.